In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create new pages on your website. So we're just going to go into Edit Site here. We'll go up to the Page drop down and go to the bottom here and hit Add New Page. The page name here is going to be whatever's used internally on your website. So we'll just do sample page. Page URL, you're going to want that all lowercase with no symbols. And that's going to be what shows up here in the page URL with your website. So we'll do sample page. And page title and description is going to be what shows up on search engines. We're going to want to put a good description in there. This is going to help with SEO and Google and other search engines. People trying to find your page. Now, if we want this page to be visible on our site, we're going to want to keep this box checked. If this box isn't checked, our page won't show up anywhere on our website. We'll just hit Save Page. Now you can see we have our sample page here, but there's no way to really get to it. We're going to want to add a link into our navigation bar. So we'll go to Menu Manager, Add New Item, Sample Page, and we're just going to find it and link it and hit Add. Now you can see it here. Don't forget to save and publish your changes when you're done.